Good morning to all. Today our topic is articles. Articles. There are two kinds. Articles are small words. First type is definite and indefinite. First discuss about definite. The. The used before the word when we are talking about something or someone definite. So talking about something, otherwise someone definite. Let us discuss with example. The means only one. The earth, the Ganga, the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal. It means so the mention the only one. The earth, the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga. Indefinite. A, an. A used before the words being with constants. So A இப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்னா கான்ஸ்டன்ட்ஸில் மட்டும் ஓகேங்களா. A tree, a bell, a rabbit, a car. Indefinitely next concept an. Used before the words being with silent H. So vowels. Elephant. Vowels means what? A-E-I-O-U. First letter E. Elephant. An elephant. What is this? Apple. Apple first start letter A. Vowel sound is A-E-I-O-U. So an apple. So next owl. First letter O. An owl. Orange. First letter O. An orange. Next umbrella. U. Vowel sound. So an umbrella. So use now A and the. So what is this? Fish. The answer is a fish. Articles. Articles are the parts of speech. Articles describe nouns. Thank you. Next, discuss about noun.